Introducing journeys, one of the main features of arcades. A journey can be created to guide users through a progression of 2 to 8 stages, each containing a variety of admin set activities. The activity types in these stages can include games, images, videos, PDFs, and URL links. Here's how it works. Users progress through each activity in order to complete a stage, and each stage in order to complete the journey. Journeys can have anywhere from 2 to 8 stages, and the player is rewarded XP at the end of each stage. As an admin, creating a journey is simple. On the Journeys menu, click Create. Fill in the overall journey title and begin adding your stages. Title your stages and start adding as many activities as you'd like. Simply title your activities and select the activity type from the drop-down menu. If you select Game, you can choose any game you've created from your games library. If you select PDF, image, or video, you can then choose the file you wish to upload, up to 20 megabytes. And if you select URL, simply insert the desired link. The activity icon automatically displayed will reflect the activity type you've chosen, but you do have the option to customize. You'll also notice a new Journeys tab as part of the Analytics section. Here, every journey you have is listed and shows the number of stages, sessions, players, overall accuracy, and average time spent per activity. You can also view specific analytics at the stage level or the player level. Note, you won't see the activity icons listed within the analytics, but there will be a short description of what the activity type is for helpful reference. Journeys allow clients to create educational and training progressions, introduce new materials, and guide users to external resources and evaluations through the use of games, a way to create a fun, directional narrative behind your content. For more information on Journeys and other Arcades features, visit thetrainingarcade.com/arcades.